guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am doing a Thanksgiving holiday look. So the palette that we're going to be playing with today for this look is the Milani Pure Passions palette. I'm going to take my 16-hour camo concealer from e.l.f. to prep the eyes and set them. To start off in my crease, I'm going to take this shade right here called Totally Fond of You. I'm just going to apply this into my crease. Next, I'm going to take this shade right here called Biggest Flirt. I'm going to apply this to my outer lid and kind of then blending it into my crease. And then I'm just going to take the brush that we used for our transition shade just to blend that into our crease a little bit. I'm going to take this shade right here called Desert Getaway, taking that on my finger, and I'm going to press that onto the lid. So I'm going to take a little bit more of Biggest Flirt, just applying a little bit more of that in our outer lid. A little bit of Always Pink of Me, applying that right above our lid where we have all those other shades, just to kind of blend everything in more. Alright, so we're going to stop there on the eyes for right now. I'm going to clean up any fallout that we might have. So I'm going to use two different primers. I'm going to use the Master Prime Hydrate and Smooth and the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. Prime and apply that all over my face. Take the putty primer and apply this just directly more on my nose and a little bit on my T-zone. Foundation that I'm going to be using today is the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation. Take a brush and blend that in. I'm going to take my sponge and just press that all over the skin. Really kind of just press that foundation in. Concealer, I'm going to be using my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer. For powder, I'm going to be using my Coty Airspun Loose Face Powder. And I'm going to start off by setting the under eyes and around the nose. And take a bigger brush for the rest of my face. For bronzer, I'm going to be using my True Match Dewy Bronzer from L'Oreal. For blush, I am going to be using my Essence Satin Touch Blush in Satin Love. For brows today, I'm going to be using my Precisely My Brow Pencil from Benefit.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you want BBM.
So going back to the eyes, I am going to be using Totally Fond of You and Always Pink of Me together. I'm going to take a little bit of this shade right here called Heat Is On, the outer part of my lower lash line. Now taking a fluffy brush that we used with the transition shade on top and just kind of blending everything together. Using a little bit more of a precise brush, I am going to go into this shade right here called Late Date. I'm just going to sweep that across the upper lash line, just to give us a little bit more of a softer look without having to use eyeliner. So for mascara, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Unlimited Mascara. Okay, mascara is on, and guys, I forgot how much I love this mascara. It gives you such a false lash effect on your lashes. My lashes aren't very long, but it definitely is very buildable, and I have been using the Better Than Sex mascara and the Lash Paradise mascara so much that I forgot how much I love this mascara. Shade right here called Lust and Luminous, right into the inner corner and highlight. And kind of pulling it down on the lower lash line a little bit. I'm blending it up to the top eyeshadow so that it all blends in together. in a little bit of this shade called Afterglow. And then whatever I have left on the brush, I'm just going to apply to below the brows just to highlight that area a little bit. Alright, so for lips today, I'm going to be using the Almay Go Wild matte lipstick. Really good matte lipstick if you're looking for one. Then I'm going to go in with L'Oreal Color Riche in Rose Gold. This is in their Gold Addiction line. And I'm just going to kind of focus this on the center of the lips. For gloss, I'm going to be using my L'Oreal Glowing Lip Gloss in Shall We Dance. I'm just going to focus that as well on the center of the lips. Alright guys, so that is my Thanksgiving makeup look for you guys. I hope you like it. Let me know if you guys did and give this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you're looking forward to for Thanksgiving. Are you looking forward to eating turkey, you know, mashed potatoes, pumpkin pie, all the fun stuff? If you're not subscribed, go ahead and click that subscribe button, and if you are subscribed but want to be notified every time I upload a video, go ahead and click that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!